A while back, Roblox added a feature called drag detectors. Now, if you go to Workspace and create a new drag detector, and then click on it, we can check out the properties. So it works like a click detector, except instead of just clicking and hovering, you can actually just drag over it. So it's a lot stronger than click detectors. Also, not just because you can drag over it, but because it allows you to change the velocity and stuff like that with the drag detector. So let's go ahead and try one of these out. Let's create a part in Workspace, and then drag the drag detector in there. And then once we drag it in, I'm gonna click run locally, and let's change translate plane to rotate axis, and then also apply at center of mass. And I'm just gonna press play here, and I'm just testing this out for the first time. I've never actually used one of these. And yeah, we can just drag it. It looks like it's also not it's not really working, and I think that's because of the max force. So before I change the max force, I'm just going to change the custom physical properties and change the density to 0, and then we can just change the drag detector here. So if I change the max torque to like 10,000, responsiveness 255, reference distance that, and then so you can see the drag C-frame. Oh, well, that's working. Okay, that's kind of cool. Translate line. Whoa, that's really cool. Okay, so you can, if I change the max activation distance to -1, no, that doesn't work. Change it to 999. So now we can drag it on a line. That is so cool. If we stand on top of it, we can, oh my gosh, that's cool. We can literally fly. Okay, whoa. Okay, let's change this to translate line to translate plane. So what does this do? Nothing. Translate view plane. Whoa, so I can just like drag it around. We can make force choking with this. Okay, that's really cool. Hold on, we're gonna make force choking with this. So what I'll do is I'll just make a script. Yeah, you know, I won't even make a script there. I'll just make a script in the rig builder. And here we go. We have a dummy here. I'll add a drag detector and a script. And then I'll set the reference object to the humanoid root part. And then translate view plane. Responsiveness will be like 100 instead. Max torque will be like 10,000. What else do we have here? Max activation distance 999. And we really don't even need a script for this, but what I'll do is I'll do script.parent.humanoid set state enabled enum.humanoid state type.physics true. So this will enable the physics state. So basically, this should just allow me to, oh my gosh, this is cool. Okay, so we can drag him around like the force. Yeah. And we just sent him into the void. And we can still grab him. That's so cool. You can see that he's up here. If you zoom in. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this thing is really cool. And if I just go into the server, go to the rig and the drag detector, we can probably change the max translation. Okay, so we can give it limits. So let's set this to like 30 for each one. So now if I move this, it's not really, didn't really change anything. It's probably because it's on the client or something. I don't know. Apply center of mass. Maybe it changes depending on what you actually are dragging over. Wait, I think it does.
Hello there.
Oh my gosh, that's cool. Okay, this is really cool. Yeah, so we can drag it around at certain parts. Doop doop. So you could easily make like a placement system for like a tycoon or something. So like, let's make a box real quick. We'll set the move to 1. And we'll just set it to 24. And then collisions. Okay, so now we have this box. This is really cool. Okay, I'm gonna add a part. This will be like a, basically just like an Amazon box. Yeah, this is cool. Okay, I'm gonna copy this drag detector and paste it right here. And then I'll just change the responsiveness to like 10, so it's really smooth. Oh, and I probably forgot to anchor the walls, so let's go ahead and anchor those. There we go. So now if I press play here, let's go ahead and check this out. Okay, so now if I drag this, I can drag it up. Okay, this is really cool. And just drag it over and put it in the box. This is amazing. I really like this. Okay, so let's move this by like 5 so we can like separate them. And then I'll drag this by 5. Okay, now I made a plugin in one of my last videos where I can just colorize it like that. So now we have a bunch of different boxes. I'll just select these and colorize these two, why not? And I should probably scale them down right here. There we go. Okay, so now we have a box system thing. We can play Tetris actually, I just realized. Or Jenga, you can literally play Jenga just like this. Probably how the Jenga game works on Roblox. This is so cool. Okay. So drag it right here. Oh, you can move them out of the way? Okay, that's really cool. It's kind of like VR controls, but like if you're playing with a mouse. I really like this. I saw a video a while back by, forget the name, I'll put it on screen, but he made a video on how to make a door with this. So yeah, I recommend you guys go watch that tutorial because it explains a lot more than this, but this is really cool. Anyways, that's it for this video. Make sure to join my Discord server if you want some scripting help or meet some new scripting friends. See you guys in the next video. Peace.